Kyler, come sit over here so nothing goes out. Back over here though, right here, Kyler. Over here. Come sit over there, that way nothing comes out the gate while I run them around. Go on now, come on. Watch out, Kyler. We got him. Always gotta be one fucking dumb one, huh? Nah, you're good. Just stay out of the way so you don't get hurt. You can go ahead. At least I know where his dumbass goes through the fence. Fucking anyway. Alright, shut that gate. Alright, got it. Go on now, get the fuck away from this part of the yard. Sons of bitches.